Hello, hello. This is Samira from Diamond Accounting. I'm the owner of Diamond Accounting Enterprise. I provide accounting and bookkeeping, payroll, and fractional CFO services. I'm a CPA myself, but I do not practice tax. I love numbers. I love crunching numbers. And today I want to talk about the question I get asked a lot, which is the difference between LLC and solo proprietorship. And people ask me, what's the difference? What should I do? Okay, LLC is a business structure. You go to your state government website. I live in the state of Kansas, so you go to the state of Kansas, and I can link it down below for my state. You go there, you open your own LLC, which is gonna only cost you $166. You can do it in 10 minutes. And in case you're confused, you can go to CorpNet. They charge you a little bit more, but for the service, but it's still a very reliable source to do it. Do not pay an arm and a leg to CPAs or lawyers to do it for you. It's a very simple step. I actually have a video how to set up your own LLC in the state of Kansas. You can go to that video and do it yourself. It's very easy, self-explanatory. And if you want to have your website, I suggest you first find out what the domain is available for you. You pick your domain and then you go set up your own LLC, because sometimes LLC name is available in your state, but the domain is not, because domain is not based on the state. It's based on what's available out there. Okay, going back to the difference between LLC and solo prop. Again, LLC stands for limited liability company. It provides some protection from your creditors against your personal assets. For instance, you have a coffee shop, someone walks into your store, there's water on the floor, and you didn't put a warning that people should be aware of the slippery floor. Someone falls falls and there's huge damages. They broke a hip, they broke their neck or head, whatever. They're gonna come sue you. If you're LLC, your your business asset is at risk. But if you are solo prop, not only your business asset is at risk, your personal asset could be lost in the lawsuit, because they could come after your personal asset, including cars, home, any personal asset you have. So LLC is going to kind of provide some protection over your personal asset, so you don't lose your personal asset. God forbid someone goes after you and sues you. There's a lawsuit, right? LLC could be single member LLC or multiple members, which in this case it's called partnership. If there's one person, single member LLC. If it's more than one, it's called a partnership. Solo prop, or some people call it 1099 contractor, is basically doesn't have any business setup. It's just themselves. Is there any difference between these two from IRS point of view? No. Again, a limited liability company is just a business structure at the state level. Doesn't have any difference in the eyes of IRS between the solo prop or LLC owner, because they're both pass-through entities, and the net income flows through to your personal tax return, and you get taxed on your personal tax return. You report it on a Schedule C. By the way, I have a very good video for small business owners that are not ready to hire a bookkeeper. They can do the bookkeeping themselves. I can link it down below that video. I went through the bookkeeping, how you can do it for your business, and I have the template on my website. I'm going to link all of that down below so you have access to it. So to wrap up, in the eyes of IRS, there is no difference. There is no tax savings if you do LLC or not. No tax savings. All it does, it just provides some protection over your personal assets in case, God forbid, if you were to get sued, you don't lose your personal assets. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please let me know. You can go to my website, book a free consultation with me, and then I'll see if there is anything I can do for your business. Also comment what other videos you want me to make for you. I love doing these things and I love to be more interactive with the comments. Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye.